top news headlines. 10th Annual Sports Meet 2020 of Amju begins. International Women's Day 2020 celebrated under the theme Each for Equal. And Karam Sham hopes to win more seats by LJP in next assembly polls. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA and you are watching News Today and at 1 p.m. And now let's have the news in details. The 10th Annual Sports Meet 2020 of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju has kicked off today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. The union also honored women journalists by presenting a simple gift to mark International Women's Day. At the opening event of the three-day sports meet, Amju President Bijoy Kakting Tabam said gender equality can bring development in a society.
The journalist union whatever local the soup the total journalist the total piecing machine international women's day state a canon observation we can begin the hyper I usually whatever the Tumina I see the Pirosu Manipuri Omi from the Sakapa Samazama Kunayama Proponoli Hava.
Manipur Information and Public Relations Minister T.H. Bishwajit Singh stated that the growing number of women journalists in the state has indicated that there is change. He was participating in the celebration of International Women's Day 2020 at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, organized by Amju. The minister, in his speech on the occasion, also lauded the role of women in the society. He also appealed to everyone to join the global fight against coronavirus.
Women section the pushing sector inspiring achievements pretty much against the crime discriminate eliminate enhance moreover the piecing of gender all the action increase
Education Minister T.H. Radhesham also attended the function. He stated that those who think men are powerful than women is irrational. He underlined on the need to respect women and said that only lip service will not do. We need to show it sincerely. Radhesham said everyone should appreciate the role played by women in the society.
If they are older than us, International Women's Day, we should never forget. Celebrate
Leaders across the country and the global are calling for a gender equal world as they celebrate achievers in different fields on International Women's Day today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi this morning tweeted greetings on Women's Day and wrote, "We salute the spirit and accomplishment of our Nari Shakti. Earlier this week, Prime Minister Modi had said that we would give up his social media accounts to women whose life work inspire all. This will help them ignite motivation in millions. The post on Tuesday came after a surprise tweet on Monday. 34 people from different political parties in Langthawal today joined Lok Jan Shakti Party LJP. In this connection, a function was held at Lelong Chajing, Mairenkong, residence of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam. On the occasion, Shyam expressed hope that LJP would win some more seats in the next assembly polls. He also emphasized on the need to bring a big change in infrastructural development in the state. The minister said whatever development programs being taken up in Langthawal constituency is because of people's support and cooperation.
Langthawal ke lagi praja singi mapan lagi moina cooperation pibiraga tawai ba thawal singje Langthawal ke lagi praja singna kaum torme akoina aigi party de yaubiyo aingon vote support to biyo haibasi natna mantri na natraga inau sina adagi honorable MLA na apaba tabok tawragadi akoi mabu support tawgani na tholaise masina achoba example lamane ngasi laiba singse kanam ta pressure yaudna adi aile tawjali ba tabok to
President of Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur, IFAM and human rights activist Renuta Kalambam from Manipur took part as one of the speakers in the 43rd regular session of UN Human Rights Council held at Geneva. The event, which started from February 24, will continue till March 20. He spoke on the issue on promotion and protection of human rights, civil, political, economic, social and cultural rights. Renuta Kalambam also raised two important issues on the communal tension of a National Register of Citizens NRC and Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in Indian capital, Delhi and the northeast region of the country. And now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom de ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Northeast India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi Info Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na ta ngam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al kuding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi makleng sin directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabag ngam gi pangal wala badong gi khangna chana ba single power si tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road, Pawai Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 60-009-54159. Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1, within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2, outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3, outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800-1027959 or 8794-613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, oza na kari takpiri, yum da giyama di office da giyam na laina, live class yengba yaraba status agi ahanba, school and daycare, tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure, healthy breakfast and lunch at school, highly qualified and caring staff, creative activities and educational games, interactive learning through music and movement, 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBA ni. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Akupa marol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawbiyo.
Senior for Senior Care Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paikatchaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahangba form khara kaujari masida masagi sahi 35 dagina 85 fawgi manungda laiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani. On job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabasu pijari. Masida sarv gyabiningba miyoi singna saliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Jenims Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabiyu.
Welcome back. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur DESAM today observed International Women's Day 2020 on the theme I Am Generation Equality Realizing Women's Right at the head office of the Alliance at Kwakatel in Imphal. Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Ward number 12 Co-operator Posangbam Premila, DESAM President Namairakpam Edison Maitei, was the President R.K. Tharaksana. Members of DESAM and several well-wishers attended the function. The National Capital Region appears to be the hotbed of coronavirus in India, with 19 of a total of 34 cases arising from the region. 3 more cases were reported yesterday, which took the total tally to 34. A Delhi resident who had a travel history to Italy was the first one to test positive from the region. 6 of his family members in Agra also tested positive for the virus. 14 tested positive for the virus in a group of Italian nationals at the ITBP's quarantine facility in Chawla, Delhi. The group had traveled to Rajasthan, wherein 2 other Italian tourists tested positive for coronavirus in Jaipur. As of now, 2 people have been reported positive for the virus in Ladakh, 2 in Jaipur, 1 person in Tamil Nadu, a techie from Hyderabad, and 6 people in Agra who caught the infection from the Delhi resident. The district administration of Eastern Assam, Sibsagar, had urged the denizens not to panic over the outbreak of coronavirus. Meanwhile, the district health department has taken all precautionary measures to prevent entry and spreading of the deadly coronavirus. As per media reports, the Deputy Commissioner Lucky Nandan Gogoi is constantly monitoring the measures taken by the district administration, health and tourism departments in his regard. The Deputy Commissioner had already held a crucial meeting with District Development Commissioner Nawab Al-Azhar Ali and Joint Director of Health Services of the District Civil Hospital to contain the deadly virus. The Enforcement Directorate ED arrested Yes Bank founder Rana Kapoor on last Sunday night under money laundering charges in Mumbai, news agency PTI reported. Kapoor was questioned on Saturday by the agency, which conducted searches at premises associated with the Yes Bank promoter. Kapoor was placed under arrest around 3 am under the provision of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA, as he was allegedly not cooperating in the prof, PTI reported, quoting official. They added that he will be produced before a local court during the day to obtain custody. Kapoor was questioned over a rupees 600 crore loan from a non-banking financial company NBFC, which is an associate company of Dewan Housing Finance Limited DHFL, to DOLT Arwan Ventures India Private Limited, a company owned by Kapoor's family at a time when Yes Bank had loan exposure of over rupees 3,000 crore to DHFL. Rana Kapoor was the MD and CEO of Yes Bank till January 2019. Documents available with the Registrar of Companies under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs saw that DOLT was incorporated in 2012 with Rana Kapoor's wife Bindu as its director. And now we have sports news. Six-time world champion MC Mary Kom, 51 kg from Manipur, is one win away from securing Olympic, but after she advanced to the quarterfinals with victory of the Asian qualifiers in Amman of Jordan yesterday. According to media reports, second-seeded Mary Kom produced a typically clinical performance to dismantle New Zealand's Commonwealth Games bronze winner Tasmin Benny for a 5-0 trim. Up next for Mary Kom is Filipino Aris Magno, who clover Hong Kong Winnie O Yin to force a win round of her last 16 bout. Mary Kom made it look quite easy as she out-maneuvered the Kiwi boxer with her sharp reflexes and a superior counter-attacking game. The 37-year-old veteran's command over the proceedings was quite impressive. And now let's see local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. First suspected COVID-19 case detected in Manipur. Law Ministry notifies panel for delimitation in state. 4 others. Chief Minister OK's isolation ward in RIMS. Janims to be enlisted as COVID-19 testing center. Assam Rifle Troops BC's Kamjong villages. Oil India keen to finish Manipur survey. The People's Chronicle. Janims included as testing center for COVID-19. The patients who were brought on March 6 to the isolation ward have not been confirmed as COVID-19 patients, says RIMS. Avoid mass gathering, says Chief Minister to people. India's COVID-19 count rises to 34. Centre plans Northeast Water Management Authority. Letpao proposes inclusion of Manipur River Basin. 2 online air monitoring stations soon. Imphal Free Press. Chief Minister urges public to tone down festivities. Janims included as COVID-19 testing center. Salai Holdings employees demand removal of restrictions. Hold protests. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister appeals to avoid mass gathering. COVID-19 crisis. 3 new coronavirus cases takes total to 34. Letpao suggests inclusion of river basin in NUMA draft bill.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Annual Sports Meet 2020 of Amju begins. International Women's Day 2020 celebrated under the theme Each for Equal. And Karam hopes to win more seats by LJP in next assembly polls. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and have a good day ahead.